If you are using ChatGPT just to ask questions and get quick answers, you are probably not using it to its full potential. ChatGPT can actually help you research, study, write, analyze files, create images, and even work with other tools. And the best part is, you don't need to be an AI expert to use these features. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro. So let's get started. Let's start with one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They try to write one giant prompt containing every single instructions. You don't have to do that. Instead, start with your basic request and then improve the result through conversation. For example, first say, write a YouTube script about how to create AI images. Then you can say, make the hook more interesting or make the language simpler. ChatGPT already has the conversation context, so you don't need to repeat everything. This is much faster than trying to create the perfect prompt from the beginning. And the next one is, give ChatGPT a role, goal, and rules. If you want a better result, don't just tell ChatGPT what to do. Give it three things: a role, a goal, and rules. For example, let's say, act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter, create a 5-minute beginner-friendly tutorial about ChatGPT, use simple English, short sentence, practical examples, and avoid unnecessary filter. Now ChatGPT knows who it should act as, what you want, and how the result should look. You can use this for almost anything. For example, act as my English teacher or marketing expert or a professional resume writer. This simple structure can make your prompt much more effective. Now, if you regularly work on the same topic, stop keeping everything in random chats. You can use project. For example, if you're creating a YouTube channel, create a project called YouTube content. Inside the project, you can keep related chats, upload reference, files, and add custom instructions. You could tell ChatGPT, my audience is beginners, keep my scripts simple, conversational, and easy to follow. My videos are usually between 2 and 10 minutes. Now your project becomes a dedicated workspace. You can use the same idea for study, research, business, content creation, or any long-term project. Projects are available on both free and paid ChatGPT plans, although file limits and some tools vary by plan. And here's another pro-level habit. Upload the actual file. For example, you can upload a PDF and say, summarize this document into simple study notes. Or upload your previous YouTube scripts and say, analyze these scripts and identify my writing style, then write my next script in the same style. You can work with spreadsheets, documents, images, and other supported files. This is especially useful when you have a lot of information that ChatGPT needs to understand. Okay, if you are researching something complicated, don't rely on a few simple sources. You can use deep research when it's available to you. For example, instead of asking, what are the best AI video generators? Click on the plus icon and then select deep research. Now you could ask, research the best AI video generators available in 2026, compare their free plans, video quality, limitations, watermark policies, and major features. Use reliable sources and provide citations. Now deep research can plan the task, search sources, work with uploaded files and supported apps. Also produce a documented report with citations. This is especially useful for research, business decisions, product comparison, market research, and complicated topics where you need sources. Just remember, for a quick question, normal ChatGPT is usually faster. This will take some of your time. You can also turn ChatGPT into your personal tutor. This is really helpful for students. Instead of asking ChatGPT for an answer, ask it to teach you. For example, teach me financial management like a personal tutor. Explain one concept at a time and then ask me a question. Don't give me the answer until I try. Now ChatGPT becomes interactive. You can also say, if I get something wrong, give me a hint instead of the answer. This makes studying much more active. You can also use this for any language learning. You can even upload your textbook or lecture notes and ask ChatGPT to create questions based especially on your material. Here's where ChatGPT becomes much more powerful. Depending on your account and available apps, ChatGPT can connect with external tools and information sources. Instead of constantly switching between different websites, you may be able to bring supported apps into your ChatGPT workflow. For example, you can connect Canva to create an image and then edit it later. Let's say you are creating a social media poster. You can use ChatGPT to create the initial image or design idea, but you don't have to stop there. Sometimes ChatGPT can make mistakes. Suppose you have created a poster and then the text isn't really right. You can edit this into Canva. Click on the plus icon, select Canva, and then connect your Canva account to ChatGPT. Then while creating poster, just write Canva. And here's a small bonus tip. Tell ChatGPT what not to do. When writing a prompt, tell ChatGPT what you don't want. For example, write a YouTube intro about AI. Don't start with "Hello everyone." Don't use cliches like "in today's digital world." Keep it under 15 seconds and make the first sentence curiosity driven. This can make your result much more specific. Sometimes knowing what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to include. And that's how you can start using ChatGPT like a pro. The biggest difference isn't knowing hundreds of complicated prompts, it's knowing how to give ChatGPT context, how to use the right features for the right task, and how to make AI work as part of your workflow. So try a few of these tips yourself and see which one save you the most time. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Initial Solution for more simple AI and tech tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.